Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fuel filter in your string trimmer, make sure the engine has cooled. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Unthread the fuel tank cap and pull the retainer free of the tank. You can use a wire with a hooked end to pull the fuel filter out. Slide the retaining spring away from the filter, then pull the old filter off of the fuel line. Install the new fuel filter by first sliding the retaining spring toward the end of the fuel line. Then insert the filter port into the line so it is secured under the spring. Push the new filter into the tank. Reinsert the fuel cap retainer into the tank, then thread on the cap. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.